Hello and welcome to one more informative video from InfoButter. In this video, we'll see how a Windows VPS looks like from inside. To do that, the very first thing that we need to open is a remote desktop connection. So click on the start button, type remote desktop connection. Here it is. All you have to do is click and open the credentials section. Click on connect and enter the password. The moment you click yes, after that you will see a screen that looks exactly same as your laptop or a desktop screen, and the icons you see here, this PC, recycle bin, and all other shortcuts also similar to the PC that you may be using at your home or your office. The only difference is that this entire thing, this Windows VPS, it is kept somewhere in the data center and not at your home or your office. And this is generally used to host websites and not do your day-to-day office work, or use Excel or whatever applications that you're using, or a designing work you may, if you are into the creative work. So this VPS or a Windows VPS is specifically used to host websites. As you can see, there is an ISS already installed, and once you open this window, you see the sites are here. You have these sites hosted. There are multiple sites hosted on the same server. So I'll just close this IIS for now, and let me show you the properties. This property section also looks exactly the same. For example, you can see this comes with 16 GB RAM, and there are some other configurations too. There is a hard disk attached to it. For example, if you open this, you see there is a 400 GB something hard disk installed already in this Windows private server. You open it and you see the similar files, once again program files, users and other things. So it is the same, it is exactly the same. When you buy a Windows VPS, you also need to use a panel to host the website. Sometimes you may want to use Plesk panel, and sometimes you want to use some other admin panels, or maybe there are some free resources like website admin, or there's something called website panel, depending upon what your hosting company suggests, or depending upon what you've been using, or maybe you have some specific experience. So based on that you can choose the panel. This specific VPS is using Windows Windows VPS with Plesk configuration. So Plesk and Windows both are paid, so you have to pay the licensing fees and all. So I just wanted to show you where exactly the website files are stored. The primary reasons to take you through this Windows VPS Tour is to show you where files are located, where websites are hosted, and where operating system is. So I'll just close it and start from scratch. Once you open this C drive, you see this space available. It is same as your PC. Open it and you see this operating system files. Program files is part of the operating system, and the recycle bin, SQL, this folder I think I created. Yes, I created this folder, so leave it. And the websites are located in this folder. You have to open this inet pub folder. Just double click on it. As soon as you open it, you see one folder which says vhosts. Just open this. Vhosts is the folder where all the website related files are stored. If you have a website which uses a database as well, the database files will not be here, only the website related files will be available. So I'll just open one of the account and show you how the files looks like, how where exactly the files are located. First of all, you have to open this domain, and then under that domain you have to open this http docs folder. Under this folder you will have all the related documents, all the related website files. So here you have it. So I'll just close this one now. Now it's time to have a look at the databases. Let's go to SQL Server Management Studio. The very first thing that you need to do is to connect to the server. So click on this connect button right here, and once you connect, you will enter SQL Server Management Studio admin panel, and here you will have all the databases like you have in your usual desktop connection. Windows VPS is generally used for .NET based applications. This was a quick tour of Windows VPS. I may also create a video on Plesk, or maybe a video on cPanel with Linux. If you want me to create more such videos, just subscribe to the channel, because that's the only way I get to know that you're liking these videos. And some more technical stuff is coming soon. So thank you very much guys for watching, and do subscribe to the channel.